Welcome to the world of skin rejuvenation. I'm Dr. Jennifer Song, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Korea, specializing in facial rejuvenation and facial restoration. Modern, trendy, and up-to-date aesthetic techniques have evolutionized with scientific upgrades in order to fit into the fast-adapting needs of our generation. Common denominator of aging skin was profoundly focused on generalized collagen stimulation, and over the years, practitioners have concentrated their clinical studies mainly in collecting collagens for the purpose of regaining skin hydration and volumization to improve skin texture. Elastin is a key structure, the protein responsible for skin recoiling and elasticity and resilience. A critical element which we have overlooked, more intimate factor we need to resolve to meet our patients' needs. This is why Elastin Care, developed by Elastic Lab, represents a breakthrough in next-generation skin rejuvenation. A treatment specifically designed to stimulate endogenous elastin production and restore skin's youthful elasticity. Key benefits of Elastin Care as an anti-aging treatment. First, restores skin elasticity. Activates elastin and collagen synthesis within the extracellular matrix, leading to firmer and more resilient skin. Second, it prevents and reduces wrinkles, enhancing the skin's ability to recoil, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles over time. The third, improves skin density and texture, strengthens the dermatological foundation, and reduces skin thinning and crepiness. Fourth, accelerates cellular regeneration, stimulates fibroblast activity for improved tissue repair and recovery. Fifth, prolongs the effects of other aesthetic treatments, enhances longevity of fillers, laser resurfacing, and energy-based treatments. Elastin Lab's Elastin Care is an innovative, scientifically supportive solution that directly addresses the core issue of elastin degradation and aging. It definitely is an essential element in improving skin quality for patients and practitioners seeking the next generation approach in aesthetic. Elastin Lab Elastic Care technology will become the cornerstone of modern skin care.